Okay, let's take a look at how the indicator is performing, shall we? Is it working for people or isn't it? Watch this right here. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I gave Carl this morning and I said, hey, we're going to do some 1-minute trades if you guys are interested, We're going to take this right here, as you can see, and we are going to put our stop at the wick. Plain and simple. So, boing, make sure you're on the right indicator and we will put our stop at the wick. I'm going to inscribe myself right here and I'm going to say, listen, stop at the wick. People, boing, take the trade, stop at the wick, okay? After that, I also put up a photo, right? Well, I said stop at the wick there and we're going to watch and see what happens, okay? You see that photograph there? That wick right there, that candle that is, well, green, that's very, very important, the blue one, right? It's exactly what you're seeing here, as you can see, d'accord? And if you look carefully, this is a 1-minute chart, okay? You take the trade, and as you're getting up to the high point, you need to exit the trade, It's a candle, and it's a reversal rose. You come back to the correct indicator, you take the trade, you rise, and when you get to the high point, you exit the trade at the high, Long wick with a red vector. You fall back down. You take the trade, you rise, boing. No rose candle, no rose candle. It's just starting to turn. So what class of trade is on the interior? Exit the trade. You return back here, a long wick on the right indicator. You take the trade as you're arriving at. Boing. And look, it's starting to turn. Long wick, exit trade. You always come back to your stop at the wick. Are you following me? Boing. Stop at the wick. You can resume on the trade if you want to.
So that's all for this video. I hope you appreciate it, and I'll say goodbye until the next video.